to get it away. She's like, ew, get it. That's cold. Are you recording it?
There, just touch it.
Let's go. She's getting tip wet. It's gonna go whoop. My phone. Bree, stand over top of one of them. Stand on it. Put your foot on it. Put your foot on the hole. I'm gonna scare you. Look at Yasmin. Run up. Wait till they get really big and then let them go.
Let him go. Don't do that.
Go! It's going! She's recording this. You can't even see them. Oh, she's stoked. Come here. No, don't.
Not you. I want to tell you a secret.
No, you're gonna get me wet. She's like, my hair! That's why I wanted to tell you. Yasmin, sit! Tell her to stand over it. I hate her. Look at my hair now. I fucking did it for nothing. I'm so mad. Look how late in the front. What? I don't know. What did you guys look at? Some people. You didn't even try to stop yourself. I was like, get away from others, and then you just walked. Those are big ones.
Go, bring out.
You guys should do it. It's actually fun. I don't want to get wet and be wet all day.
You won't. It'll probably dry.
Yeah, and if we don't, then...
Do you have a tank top on?
Yeah, but I don't want to take my shirt off.
Go ahead.